to take. No more hiding, let your colors fly. Paint the sky in hues of you and I. No rewind, just press play. Love yourself the perfect way. Ain't no limit, ain't no end. Here's to you, your day to transcend. Happy birthday, let the world sing. You're the queen or king of everything. Dance like stars are watching you, shining brighter in your view. Make a toast, the night is young. Laugh out loud, throw your hands up. This is your time, take it slow. Live it up in your birthday glow. Shining brighter in your view. Happy birthday, let the world sing. You're the queen or king of everything. Dance like stars are watching you, shining brighter in your view. Happy birthday, let the world sing. You're the queen or king of everything. Dance like stars are watching you, shining brighter in your view. Happy birthday, let the world sing. You're the queen or king of everything.
We got 13 donuts.
Why? What did you got?
And that one mine.
Oh, how about Elliot? Did Elliot take?
Mine was, what was it? That's you. That one.
Wow. How about Matthias? We know Matthias. Matthias is Bear Claw. And Daddy, what's your surprise for Ezekiel?
Nothing else.
You gonna give? Lo.
Bear Claw and nothing.
What is that?
This is your birthday present.
That's your birthday present, okay?
It gets explode when you open it.
Oh my god. Yeah.
What's that?
Autobot!
That's what you've been asking for, huh?
Yeah, on the card one.
He literally asked for.
What is it? Astronaut?
Astrobot.
Oh, he has that.
He doesn't have. That's like a.
Get one.
Oh,
we have a little bit of
So
Buhok.
that one is like a.
Mataas pag-ayo ang buhok.
This season you have it. But now this is the weekend.
Okay, you guys.
I'm going.
Go get him a plate. Next is Matthias. His birthday na po. And Elliot.
What?
Cheese. Oh, cousins. Thank you.
Okay, you want me to go install this game?
Ulit din eat, love.
Oh, and then on PlayStation 4.
Yeah, you guys can play later. Eat some more first. Kaburot. Mga balon ni Ezekiel. Yan, number 5. Mga balon. We don't expect that it's very big 5. Big 5. Good. Cool. Number 5 is very big. Very huge. Oh. Put here, lab. We make sure that the 5 is in the middle. Kunya ka Ezekiel. He's happy. Number 5. Go get your number 5. Big. Masala diri sa kwarto. Gihatag na namo ang gift namo kay Ezekiel. Oh, are you happy? Happy? Go say cheese in there, cheese. Go stop in here. No move. Go get the star and number 5. Look at mama. Cheese. There's Matthias. And go cheese here. Cheese ni mamang. Hala. Balloon party. Ano sila? Dire na ni sila sa kwarto ni maming o dading.
Okay,
Oh.
Ezekiel, he got the signal message.
Sige na, mommy will put that down in the TNT. Take it. So Here's Ezekiel'S cake. Pick up na namo sa Sam's Club. Then, yeah, we need to eat our no, lunch first and then cake time. Whenever we sing your birthday. Then there's decoration. Including sa iyahang cake. Yan, saying happy birthday, Ezekiel. Kanang birthday boy. His mom over here. Here. And Matthias over here. Yep, let's put your Anak. Cheese. Very good. One more. Jesus. Good job. Say cheers ni Daddy Ezekiel. Oy. Woohoo.
Here, let me see that. Let me make that a little tighter.
Dara mga pase sa mga bata. Ayan, para magula sila. This Jenny, before they come here.
Oh, we're gonna play on their cards. I can have fun too.
What's it?
Do it.
What's this? Oh, skip time. Oh. Good job. Woohoo. There's Jenny there. I don't know where that. Matthias, Elliot. Cheese. Oh, you guys playing. Boy. Woohoo! Rank up. Here. Where are they? Here. Hey, you two are here. Thank you. They're almost here, Labda. Oh, they're it's like Minecraft game. They should be here soon. The neighbor. Yeah. Hey. Woo, go Brenda. You got it. Whoa. Or 175, 115. Yeah? So you get dab. Oh. Which one is yours? This one? Oh, you got.
You see get this and move it up.
Yeah? Wow, 150. First? Not this one, Nak. Look at Elliot. This one got more points.
49 points left.
Oh. Oh. Oi. Oi. Good job. Look. Get it, more. I think lower, lower. Stay that one. Go real. That one. Whoa, good. Go. Yep. Come on. Good job. Look. Oh, we got a tiny one. So, dari na po siya. Oh. Driver Ezekiel. Oh. Oh. Look at the road. Goes in the road. Oh. Oh, go like this. Nice practice. What? Oh! I killed it. Boy! This is hard. Then. Tap it in.
I think it's broken.
Time is up.
Yeah, for doing that.
It's
Already working. You can't stop.
Whose pizza did you take?
Well, I've got 2 pizzas.
I
But
was saying, if you disordered it, she's eating it.
there's the third one I got was an extra large, so hopefully it's bigger.
Dude, ang shit ko. Uy! Cheese ah!
She playing?
Whoop! That's about 790. Dance! Oi! Yeah, they're here. Hi! Smile for me! Look at Ezekiel! Dance na udan. Wow, Ezekiel, come here. Ezekiel, come here. Go. Go the leg, go. Go say hi. Yay. Hey, you can go right there. Go right there. Go there, go. Woo. Oh, you do? Huh? Closer, Ezekiel, closer. Happy birthday! Go in there. Go, go, go. Go right there. Elliot, go right there.
When you say go!
How much fun we're having together. A day with the train. It's time for church. Almost lunch. First, we have to sing happy birthday to breakfast night. Miss Happy from 10. Okay, everyone, sing along. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ezekiel. Happy to Thank you all so much for coming to celebrate your birthday here with me. We're never going to get
You get a giant. Where you want?
Ticket last na si Ezekiel. Go get last, Ezekiel, ha? Yang. Aww.
And lock him in?
Yeah.
Oh, that's terrifying.
Go get! Matias, go get! They're not gonna have ticket. Matias, go get! He just wants air. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Matias, get! Wow!
Let's go back and sit down. Have your cake.
Woo!
Now?
Yep, that's yours.
Now?
Go give Eloise. Yep,
Well, he's got to open his gifts.
right there. Said Matthias. Go give one to Sam. Sam. There.
That's how we used
Ephraim. Oh, Lucius, Ezekiel. Same, they're just different. Ephraim, here. Oh, Dexter. Oh, you get a big one. You wanna?
Who's this one?
What's that? Oh, that's Auntie Jenny, Uncle Glenn, and Jackson Ephraim. Oh, that's a lot. Yep. Hi. Oh, what happened? Huh? Thank you, Daddy Jen. Uncle Glenn, give a hug. Daxton. What's next?
I think it's from Jessica.
That's from Jessica. Oh. From Eloise. Look. Whoa. Oy.
You don't need a hug.
Oy. Yeah, that's from Archer and Sam. Oh, look at Ezekiel. nga. Ooh. Let me see, Ezekiel. It's a mask.
He loves Spider-Man. Yeah. You too? Do you like Gwen? Gwen Stacy's free.
Ooh.
Hey, Zeke, can I see?
Ezekiel, let us see. Look. Rainbow pa siya, oh. What's this? Okay, thank you. Ezekiel, you say thank you. Ah. Oh.
Oh, that's so cool. It's so exciting.
Go say thank you there, go.
He's so excited. You don't have to walk all the way around.
What's next? From Grandma and Grandpa.
There's gummies inside your gift bag. You want your gummies? Oh, your stuff out.
Oh.
Here, try out your gummies. And also upgrade the chocolate. What is that? Oh, so pretty.
Whoa, go give out Grandma and Grandpa. Where's Grandpa?
Of course. You go, careful. Eloise.
Oh! I love this action figure, oy. Ezekiel, show us. He's excited. Not even care. What's that from? Maybe that from Lucius. Yep, that's from Lucius, Ezekiel. You got a big mouth. Give Lucius hug. Thank you, thank you. Yep.
You just give us a high five, baby.
High five.
How do I get there?
Hey, happy birthday! Open din siya. Oh, kini set nga Avengers. Action figure. Hello! Excited siya, excited.
I think that's the last of the actual presents in there.
Yep.
But there's more presents out there.
Wow. Oh. Yep, there's more. Only have presents. Cheese, a present. Cheese. Look at here. Okay for him. That's from Grandma and Grandpa, that big robot.
You need to go pee?
What is this? Mount up. Oh, this is the Lego.
Yeah,
Yep,
don't open it yet.
don't open this yet. Because we don't want pieces gone, right?
Open that when I open it.
Good job. Daddy, Ezekiel did a good choice for this one. You don't want to open this one yet. Ezekiel, look! This is the one you want. So there's a villain. Wow.
So this
Look.
when you twist them?
Oy! Twist, twist, twist. Salat siyang toys. Oy! Oh, Legos! So all the Legos, Ezekiel, you don't want to open it, right? Okay. So this two, I'm gonna keep it this side.
I open chips and they don't Lego.
Yeah. Up! You excited about this? Pink! The pink one!
Oh, yeah.
Open it.
Can if you want.
What is this? Spider-Man with remote control. Salat na siya og mga mini force. Mo ni ang iyahang sa iyahang list. So dara oh, mini force tiny. This one is a big one, Ezekiel, huh? It's from Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, you need to. Oh, because you need to connect that. to make it big, a robot.
Dad, don't transform it.
Excited siya eh. Yeah, you wanna make it big one, right?
Okay.
Connect it. Candice. Nasa nurse, dapat siya kuton kindi. Kuan ni siya. Kagranma ang grandpa. Oh. Wow.
Dad, what this is like?
Birthday gifts, whole si Ezekiel. Ay. Naroon na yung mini force. Very tayo na eh, very expensive na yung mini force. Hulo! That's big! Hulo! Uy! Uy! Hulo, happy.
How about this one? Two.
I know! You have pink! Another pink! Look! You got red?
One,
Hello.
two of these.
Uh-oh!
Double.
There's a double! I think Sarah get this one too. It's there's both. Hulo.
Wait, where did you go? Maybe it's a ton of gun.
There's a big one. Smile! Please! Look at! Say, fart! That's so cute and big, huh? Wow, this is big!
Ooh, how about that one?
Look, Ezekiel!
Whoa!
Whoa, is that cool?
Mom, let's open this.
Okay. Which one you want to open? Oh gosh, don't be crazy. Got it? Or you need my help? Okay, got it.
Wait.
That's a policeman. Police guy.
Very powerful.
Look very powerful.
Gun.
Is he a good villain?
Yeah,
No gun, huh? I don't think so. Oh, yan gun I can add din he. I thought there's no more on that box. Oh. Here. Kanay sword of gun ng police.
put it in.
The pink one na po nak. This one nak. Mini force. Ezekiel's is into mini force. Dino power. Grandma give this big robot a baby. Oh, no, that's his father. Hey, this is his father. Mama daw. That's funny.
Copy that.
You copy that, copy that. Copy that. You wanna be police? Copy that. Open the pink one, lap. Well, here we go. The Spider-Man Transformer. Let me check this out. Control car, transforming remote.
Okay.
Yeah, where did
Let's see. How it transform. Excited na si Ezekiel.
It's not working. Let's go.
Oy. Itong kortina, nagbaliko na. Ah! Go, put down. Put it down. Whoa. How it transform, lab? Oh, no. Oh, no. This is cool. Look at that. What? Oi. Go, do that. Oi. Nice. Can you transform it? Excited kay Ezekiel. Transform it. Whoa, that's so cool. Let's go, huh? Jackson, huh? Ala. That's not his head.
Now I got it.
Whoa. Oh, there is?
Yeah.
There's tiny guy in there. Oh,
no,
look
it's
at the
not the guy.
eyes.
Yeah.
Wow. Someone is loving it. Oh, transform. Oh.
Transform. He's watching. Transform.
Let me see the eyes.
Untransform.
Look.
Transform. Untransform. Untransform. Transform. Untransform. Transform.
Oi.
Did it hit chocolate cat?
Make sure you.
It's melting off. Oh, that's so weird. I
Yeah.
hate that feeling. So slimy. My green guy that I put in.
He's still
Listen, real big.
So this is the other one, the whale.
It's just a lake bloomer, okay? Ollie Mouse Lake.
Oh, the yellow one, stingray. Where's the other yellow?
Where's oh, this? Oh,
What's
right.
that?
I think that's a shark.
Shark.
Where is
Yep.
Stingray?
Look, stingray, Ezekiel.
Okay, I just... How many you like?
Kuhan sila na rin, nag-magic draw capsule.
Okay, maybe that's a lot.
It just so slimy.
Shape. It doesn't take its shape. Oh, just little.
Oh, so slimy.
Cool, huh?
I wonder what this guy
The
is.
squid, stingray, shark. Wait, what's the green one? Oh,
What is this?
lobster?
Look at
Let me see. Look, this
What the hell
one.
is that? Oh, it's a seahorse.
Seahorse?
Maybe.
No, this one. See a lobster.
Yeah, it's a lobster.
Lobster. It's like
Definitely a very messed up lobster, though.
kind of wobbly.
This is yeah, it's definitely a lobster. See that?
Yeah,
See those
yeah.
claws? Yeah, of course it's slimy. I think it's another lobster.
Let me see.
Turn it
Squid?
around.
Squid.
Squid.
Squid, yeah, squid.
Oh, it's this guy.
Disgusting.
Wait, let me just get the slime off.
Oh, it's like
It's another shark.
a shark.
Wait, no, the dolphin. Oh, there's dolphin.
Dolphin?
It looks like a dolphin.
Wow. Yep. That's it.
Oh, squid. That's squid. Squid.
Ano sila, oh.
Stingrays? Ooh, there's crab.
Cousins.
Oh no, it's a lobster.
Yeah, I want stingray.
There's a stingray.
Did you and Daddy build that?
And Dad said I need
Wow. Excuse me, Matthias.
look at
Oh, that's a Minecraft one? Oh,
Those are all the things we can buy. Like all the things we can build.
yeah.
Legos.
Show it to me. See, she's here. Did Daddy help you?
Yeah.
She's
Yeah.
But mostly my alliance.
Look at here.
Hey, Pop, who the heck are you? Oh,
Very good. Nice, so cool.
Let's play.
see that full-grown woman over there?
Now they go crazy with their sword. Crazies, attack! Oh, Matthias. Taking Ezekiel to McDonald's with Daddy. Sila. Early in the morning. 6 a.m. Because mag-go pa man sa work. Breakfast sa McDonald's. Balik na sila. Ano na sila, Ile? Balik na. Birthday boy. Uy, happy laging birthday boy. Bring. You enjoy your breakfast with Dad? Yeah? Yeah. You got pancake? And what?
And egg. And that one really cool that I forgot.
Bacon?
No.
He forgot now what he have. Pancake, egg, sausage.
Sausage
Oh.
and
Dagway.
and
Is that a nice breakfast with Dad? Huh?
and bread.
And bread? Maybe, is it the sweet one? Sweet pancake?
Yeah.
And bread po din. Mo din iyang pagkaon. Gislice na ni amahan. Mo din yung pasabot bread daw, biscuit. You eat some of it? Yeah. Good. Main pa daw. Thank you, love. Me and Matthias, we got some too. I see, what do you eat there, Ezekiel? You got a big pancake, and you call it like the biscuit in here. Yeah? The one you say the bread. Early wake up ang baby. Haban ni siya sa iyang Legos. Oh. You see? Wow. Mo na iyang kung yung big na Lego. Supposed to be like this, the pig.
Thank you.
Still a lot of pieces.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't pick.
Basic you should build. Ito yung Lego. Cheese here ni Manong?
Cheese.
One take those there, top security.
Look at here.
Forget everything you've seen today. Well, you can take them all.
Uy!
Remember it's on.
Jesus. Look at here naman. Like this, cute. Look at handsome.
You
You
know
like
what
it?
I do?
Where's other piggies, love?
There's only
Oh, it's over there.
There's only
Hold on.
2 pigs.
Oh, 2 pigs.
Oh, I wish I could see one.
Look at cute.
And there's also a pig.
Huh? Where is
There's
it?
also a pig in the farm.
Works every time.
Mm.
And
Oh, there's hay
you
too?
know what that guy do?
What?
He makes
Yes, over
trains
there.
guys you to do training for fighting to level up.
Really?
He trains you to do sneak attacks up high.
That's super cool, love.
Those guys are right now not gonna do anything for him.
Yeah.
Because they better be fighting.
So you combine the other Legos?
If these guys be fighting, they will be in the team. But he didn't end up to be
Creative,
this guy.
imaginative play.
He cannot be this guy. He's
Super cool, love.
He's a next fight. He's training to be he's training to do sneak attack up high.
Sneak attack. Busy na siya, busy. Look at cute. Hoy!
These fingers.
Oh!
Close your hands.
Parang pa sila nag-tutorial dre, oh. Chopstick.
This one, okay.
Cheese! Yo, open this one na.
This one underneath.
Cupcake ni Ezekiel for his birthday. Go, give it to! Oy! Go give it to your brother. Go bring it. So go, happy birthday, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ezekiel. Happy birthday to you.
Well,
Yay! We're just only. Go eat your cupcake.
what?
Let's see. You like it?
Awful. Oh.
Yummy, yummy. Ay, even it's just kuan. Easy cake. Uy. Uy. Gancham. Mwah.
Dad,
Yahang.
I take a video.
Yeah. What? Because it's Ezekiel's birthday, he wants me to video, Dad. So, mo ni ang among gihimo na cupcake for Ezekiel. Ano? What's that? Juice? Crunchy ang kuan na sprinkle.
Tomorrow, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Up there.
Good or not? Nag-milk pa si Ezekiel lagi. Tuslo na. Pinoy yun di siya Pinoy. Tuslo sa milk. Officially 5-year-old today. Ang among Ezekiel. Our love Ezekiel.
Those guys who need help. And the plant one.
Cheers ta. Milk versus coffee ni Mamang. Daddy make me a coffee. Cheers. Ang cup ni Ezekiel. Best husband ever. And mine is Mama Bear. You don't want milk, my love? Tay? No milk. Yum siya sa cupcake bo. Me and Matthias make this icing. And he make a horrible cupcake history. And he's laughing very hard. Kasi pag anak ba, pagtuwad niya sa icing ba, ani huslo. Parang katawahan ni Matthias. Yeah, Ezekiel. Yeah. Happy 5-year-old, my love. I love you. Mucho.
I'm done. Kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone!